Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. If you're not new, thank you for watching another one of my videos. I'm a financial analyst. I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. And today we are talking all about sleep. How do we get paid just to do something that we're gonna do anyway? How are we getting paid to go to sleep? So I have 7 companies that do either a sleep study or pay you to go to sleep, and I'm gonna go through all of them. So here we go with number 1. Number 1 is called Eachnight.com. And so what this company does is they send you a mattress that they want you to review. You sleep on it for 30 days, and then you tell them how well it was or how it wasn't. And they have a series of questionnaires, and you have a before and after video of explaining how the mattress was. So definitely go on their website, apply for this. And so they're calling this position nap reviewers. It definitely sounds like something that could be fun. You replace your mattress for 30 days and then sleep on it, and they'll pay you. So if number 1 was good, then number 2 is gonna be right up your alley. These 2 companies are called Sleepopolis and Sleep Junkies. And so what they do is they need reviewers for mattresses and beds, and they typically post jobs with the title Insomniac or Fussy Sleeper. So definitely bookmark these 2 companies for when they have a job opening or when they have a position opening for the sleep study or the mattress reviewer position. All right, if you like those, then you're gonna love this one because it's a longer list of jobs that are doing sleep studies. Number 3, which is really easy and really shocking, is that if you just go to Indeed and you type in sleep studies or sleep review or mattress review, then you'll get all of these companies that are hiring in your specific area at that particular time that are doing sleep studies and sleep reviews. So you can go on those particular websites and apply for each sleep study or sleep review that happens to apply to you. All right, let's keep it moving with number 4. So number 4, I did not think that this was a real thing, but given the list, it's all very surprising. So number 4 is a mystery hotel shopper. So you've heard of mystery shoppers where you go to a certain store and you document your experience and then you report it back to the company and you get paid. Well, this is specifically for hotels or for travel. The company is called Bestmark. So what they do is they specialize in travel, airline, and hotel mystery shopping. You would book the hotel and rate your experience on the hotel, on the bed, on everything regarding how your stay was, and then you get paid for that. Also, they offer travel discounts as well. So if you want to dig a little bit more into it, check out their website. So number 5, this one is a sleep study, and it is actually paying $1,825. So they're doing a sleep study. A company called flourishresearch.com is doing this. This is for people in the Miami, Florida area, but they will compensate for travel if you have to travel to them. So if you want to apply for that, I'll leave the link in the description, and then you can go apply for that sleep study. Number 6, this one happens to be a sleep study that breaks down the topics of sleep. So specifically, if you are having issues with insomnia, if you are pregnant or have stress, and they want to study pregnancy, stress, sleep, insomnia, and also people who do night shift work. So right now they have these studies on their website. This is the Henry Ford Research Study, and they do provide compensation. So go ahead and check that out. I'll leave that in the link as well so you guys can apply for that one. And number 7 is a Johns Hopkins sleep study. Right now they're studying sleep disturbances specifically. So go to buildclinical.com. I'll put the link down in the description. If you fall into that category, go ahead and apply. All right, I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, go ahead and like and share it with somebody you know that's also looking for work. And if you are tired of your 9-to-5 and you want some ideas on passive income, go ahead and watch this video right here. This will give you 6 passive income ideas so that you can grow your money outside of your 9-to-5. I will see you guys next week. Bye.